let's take a quick look at Whisper's auto naming and data validation so that we can help users follow our naming conventions and also to help with data input into our Whisper system. The first thing we'll look at here is our auto naming. Within Whisper, we can actually have different objects and different types within our system follow an auto naming convention. We can see here the names of volumes, or actually this is kind of grayed out. We can't type into this box, but instead what we're doing is we're auto generating the name from the metadata associated with the volume. In this case, we have followed primary dash secondary, the O2, dash, and I made a special metadata field called Troy's notes, and that's going to be the third part of our name here. We can see that this is automatically generated from those three pieces of metadata. Let's make a change to Troy's notes here. We can see as we're typing, the name of the object is being automatically updated from those metadata fields. This helps in data input. We didn't have the users typing in 0100-02-video notes and type in video notes into the metadata field. We've just pulled it directly from the metadata to help with user inputs and to follow some basic rules when creating content. That kind of brings us to the next step here, is that we've followed a naming convention based on metadata fields, but how do we specify a metadata field to follow a specific rule when data is put into it? In this case, I'm actually going to look at our boxes. We can see most of our boxes here. I've just set up this rule that says all our boxes have to be primary dash secondary dash tertiary, but our tertiary number has to be a 4-digit number. So these ones are 4 digits, so it saved fine before. But if I actually change this back to our video notes and I try to save here, we can see that this is an invalid input. If I mouse over here, we get a tooltip saying this must be a 4-digit number. So if I actually update this back to our 4-digit number and hit save, again following our auto naming, primary dash secondary dash tertiary, but tertiary has to be a specific user input, all of our boxes should come out the other end as 4-digit dash 2-digit dash 4-digit. And if I hit save here, our box gets saved correctly. And between our auto naming and our data validation for metadata, we helped users with their input as well as following our naming convention.